back in the garage. So we got a no heat call on this heat pump. It's currently just circulating air. Apparently the filter got sucked into the system. That's because they weren't using these. These were like tucked in the corner, so they're all covered in cobwebs. So I'm putting a new filter in, get that taken care of, and then we'll see what's going on with the system. So here we go. All right, so we got this open, we got the filter put back in there. So I want to verify my calls. The thermostat I've checked is calling for auxiliary heat. So verifying we have 24 volts between R and C. The next thing I want to do is I want to see if I'm getting a call for Y, or I'm sorry, W, which would be our auxiliary heat. Okay, so I do have a call for heat. Let's see if I have a call for heat pump. No. Okay, so right now we only have a call for electric heat. So we need to find out why it's not running. Okay, so we have the F draws on the first circuit. So I only have one circuit. At first glance, I don't know if you can see that, but that wire is a little black. So currently we only have one circuit of heating functioning, so we need to find out what's going on. I am noticing that red wire there, let's see if we can get some light on it for you. That red wire right there, it's got some blacking, so I wouldn't be surprised if that's melted. So you could have that, this could be bad. The sequencer. So let's go ahead and dig in there a little more and go from there. Okay. So I want to make sure that limit switch isn't tripped. So we've unplugged one side and unplugged the other side. Move that aside so it's not touching anything. Okay, so our limit switch is not tripped now that we have this connected. We're gonna make sure that our heat strip isn't open. Okay, we have continuity. So our heat strips are fine. I'm starting to think that maybe there's a problem with that sequencer. All right, so here's the new one. So thankfully I had one on my truck because I forgot to mention it's a Saturday overtime call. So let's see here. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and swap this out and then go from there. Yeah, see how it's all burnt up and it actually just broke off and the plastic in there is all melted, so for sure it's dead. All right, so here's our old one. It's hard to see, but this is all melted on the inside. Had to put a new end on one of the wires because it was melted, or it was beginning to, and then we've tightened every single spade connector, so they're tight, nice and tight. I also tightened all those there. So we're gonna go ahead and cycle this and see if she works now, so, yep. Okay, we got a call for W. We're gonna go ahead and check our Amtros. I can smell it, so I'm pretty sure it kicked on. All right, so that one's on. And they're both on. We're good to go. So if you come across a electric heater on the weekend and it's not working, you probably got a bad sequencer because these things are just super cheap and they suck. Whenever you're doing a maintenance on one of these things, you want to make sure all your connections are super tight. If you see any melting, replace the spade head. So you gotta love it when we're back on a callback on a Sunday for yourself. So it's blowing cold. It's calling for heat pump, which heat pump is running. It's putting in about 68 degree air, which considering it's like 40 degrees outside makes sense. All right, let's see if we got some amps. Okay. Heat's working. I bet you the air conditioner is running. Let's see. Yeah, suction line's cold. All right, let's see what's up. All right, well, there's a problem. We have a call for cooling at the same time as heating, so that means our thermostat is probably set for O when the unit is actually, I'm sorry, the unit's set for B instead of O. So that means
reversing valve on cool, energized reversing valve on cool, just Y for heat. In this case, it's backwards, so we need to figure out what's up with that. But basically, this is heating, and then the air conditioner cancels it out. So just as I thought, the thermostat was set to B when this is an O system, so that's why I was getting a call. Now I have it switched, it's good to go. So yeah. So I made the mistake that I usually do is anytime I come across a heat pump, always make sure that it's programmed properly. So yeah. So anyway, hopefully this helps you out. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment to me what a horrible technician I am. Hit that bell notification and follow me on Instagram, Facebook. And if you want to support the channel, buy some socks, get some tools. Thanks for watching.